Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, we're going to look at how to claim rewards in this game. So let's get started. So to claim rewards, all you gotta do is go to your world. It is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Here you can see I'm in the green world. And here you can see I am at level 3, so I can tap on this award to claim it. So to claim an award, just tap on the award and it will be claimed, just like that. So now you may be wondering how to collect this portal energy to unlock new awards. So the collection of portal energy is fairly simple. Just go to the book section. Here you can see I can collect all these portal energy. So you can slay some monsters in the game, or play in some battle modes, or just collect some spell to claim portal energy. So I have completed all these achievements, so I can just tap on claim to claim the portal energy. Here I'll claim all. And you can see here, I can claim another reward. So I'll just tap on my world again. And here I can claim this new award, which is a goblin baby. So that's it on how to claim awards in Squad Busters. If you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.